Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix a problem when you want to install some games from a Google Play Store on your Motorola Edge 40 Pro, but you can't seem to find them. And to do this, first we'll need to open a Google Play Store, and here let's actually try to find the games, and I'm gonna go for Call of Duty. And as you can see, there's no game that we're looking for in the search. Now to fix this, go back, click on your profile picture, open the settings and enter family. Here select parental controls. Now either disable them entirely or go for apps and games, insert the PIN code, click on OK. Increase PG to 16, make sure to save the settings afterwards, go back. Now look for the game again, and it should be right here available to install. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.